Do you know that most AI cars don't just train on perfect sunny days? They actually learn from the worst storms, the darkest nights, and the hardest roads? Let's step into the rain. Picture a cyberpunk street where neon blurs on puddles, wipers swish, and fog clings to glass. For humans, this is where accidents multiply. But for AI systems, this is the classroom. Why? Because teaching a machine to drive well in bad conditions makes it safer in all conditions. Engineers feed cars not only real-world storm footage, but simulated worlds where rain is exaggerated, where glare blinds sensors, and where pedestrians appear suddenly under umbrellas. Each frame becomes a lesson. If the road shines too bright, slow. If a figure is half hidden in shadow, anticipate movement. In labs from Detroit to Tokyo, engineers run cars through synthetic bad weather generators. Picture a server hall where GPUs churn out millions of rain scenarios, droplets falling at different angles, glare bouncing differently off neon. The AI doesn't get frustrated. It just learns. Slowly, statistically, it builds patterns of safety where chaos lives. Now, let's talk about radar and LiDAR. Rain scatters signals. Fog bends light. A human driver squints, but AI blends sensors. Camera says, blurred outline, maybe person. Radar says, solid object, 30 meters. Together, they cross-check, creating certainty from uncertainty. Do you know? Some companies actually spray fake rain on test tracks just to break their own AI. The goal is not perfection, it's resilience. Because resilience, not perfection, saves lives. Let's imagine the future. You step into an AI taxi at midnight, thunder above, sheets of rain falling. The AI doesn't panic. It recalls billions of rainy miles. It slows where it must, accelerates where safe, and navigates puddles like it's done it 1,000 times before, because in training, it has. This isn't just safety, it's trust. Trust built through invisible storms, the AI has already survived before you ever sat inside. And there's another side, ethics. In slippery conditions, who does the AI protect first? You, the passenger, or the pedestrian that might run across? In labs, those decisions are coded. So every rainy street becomes more than physics. It's philosophy on wheels. Closing questions. Would you trust a machine to drive you in a storm if it's been trained on more rain than any human ever could experience? Should governments mandate storm training before a car gets approved? Should AI always prioritize life outside the car over life inside? Imagine a world where fewer families lose someone in a rainy crash, because the driver wasn't human. It was an AI that never blinked.